Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with Essentials. Confirm the SIM is seated and visible in settings so the device recognizes the ICSID. Next, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This forces a fresh radio handshake. Restart the phone if needed. Once done, make sure mobile data is switched on and glance at signal bars. These actions quickly rule out simple firmware or physical read errors before deeper fixes. Now dig into settings. Open mobile network access point names and reset to carrier defaults, or paste the exact APN values your carrier uses. If automatic fails, manually select the network operator to force registration. Also test switching preferred network type between 2G, 3G, and 4G to find a compatible band. If problems persist, perform a network settings reset. Finish with advanced steps. Install any carrier setting updates and OS patches because modem and baseband fixes often arrive that way. If the issue remains, test a known good SIM to separate carrier problems from device faults and try tethering to another phone as a hotspot. If nothing works, collect signal and registration logs and contact carrier support. Make a factory reset only as a last resort, and if it fails, ask the carrier about provisioning or outage on their side.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.